Dada. Say Dada. Come on. Say Dada. What are you just sitting there looking at? Say Dada. Say Dada. Say Dada. Say Dada. Come on. Come on. Get. Come on. Say Dada. 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 Say Dada. Are you laughing? Are you gonna laugh? Huh? Are you gonna laugh? Come on. Come on. Come on, Jacob. Hey, leave your hand. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What? Huh? Now don't put your hand in your mouth. Don't put your hand in your mouth. What? Come on. Come on. Say something. Say something. Come on. Say okay. So we'll talk to everybody later. Up. Bless you. Goodness. Shoo. That was a big one. Wasn't it? Huh? Hey, you're going to be shy as soon as Mom turns on the camera, aren't you, huh? Are you going to be shy as soon as Mommy turns on the camera? Huh? Huh? Are ya? Are you going to talk? He says, nope. So, okay. So we'll talk to everybody later. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, you are going to talk. Want to do a little bit more? Huh? A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. He says, nope. Say, alright. So we'll talk to everybody later. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And, huh? Are you talking? Jacob. Jacob. Peekaboo. Come over here. Come over here. Are you talking? Huh? Hi there. Hi. Jacob. What are you doing? Are you in your chair? Huh? Jacob, are you in your chair? Huh? Are you in your chair? Hey boy. Hey boy. Are you gonna smile? Say hi to everybody. Say hello. Jacob. Hey. Hey. Are you gonna smile at everybody? Huh? So yep, say I'm pretty much standing up. Ah, you could smile. Come on. Jacob. Peekaboo. What are you doing? Huh? What are you looking at? Huh? Jacob. Jacob. Peekaboo. Jacob. You look like you're dazing. You act like your big brother. Huh? Are you acting like your big brother? Jacob. Say hi. Say hello, everyone. Say hello. You're a big boy, aren't you? Huh? Oh, yeah? Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah. You telling a story? Huh? He's drawing everywhere. Yeah. Where's your Mr. Star? Huh? Where's he at? Where's Mr. Star? There he is. Yeah. Mr. Star. Here, let me see if I can see if you like that better. You like that better? Huh? So now you can move a little bit. Get your star. Yeah, I like my hand better, Mom. Get your star. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Giddy. Huh? What? Giddy. You see Mr. Worm? Where's Worm at? Here's Worm. You see? Look, here's Worm. Look, there's Mr. Worm. Giddy. Who is that? Yeah, who is that? You trying to move? Huh? You trying to kick yourself backwards again? Get Mr. Worm. Giddy. No, no, not your outfit. Don't eat that. It gets all wet. Yeah, Sam, kick it. See my feet? Yeah. And get it. Drill box. Drill box. Yeah. You got Mr. Star. You like blue. They usually like to look at red. Yeah. Yeah, you kitty. What? Who'd you see? Hey. Hey. Where's Dad? And Josh? Huh? Where's that boy at? Where is it? Say Hattie thinks they think they're outside. Hattie, where's Dad? Huh? Where's Daddy? Where's Josh? Is Josh home? Huh? Oh. Say that again? Huh? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Tell me some more. Gotta finish your story. Yeah. You're getting to be a big boy, aren't you, huh? Yeah. I know. So you're 3.5 months old, you're a big boy now, aren't you? Huh? Yeah. Get it? Oh, quit biting on your fingers. Where's your worm? Where's Mr. Worm? What? Hey, silly boy. Hey, silly boy. What are you looking at? Huh? Jacob. 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 Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. Gonna get ya. I gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. What? Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Big boo. Hmm? What? Oh. There goes my fingers again. Why don't you eat your worm instead? Get Mr. Worm. Oh, you don't like that idea? Huh? You don't like that idea? That's yucky. What? Oh, come on now. Come on now. Oh, really? Is it good? Oh. You like Star, don't you? Huh? He's nice and colorful. Where's it going? Uh-oh. Where's it going? You better get it up here. What happened to it? What happened to it? Yeah. See, okay, so our battery's getting low, so we better go. Say bye-bye, Jacob. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say okay, so we'll talk to everybody later. And that's about as good as a bye-bye we're gonna get. Yeah. Say bye. Bye. He stuck his tongue out, everybody. Alright, say we'll see everybody later. Say bye-bye. Look at this book. Mm-hmm. Keep it quiet. Huh? Keep it quiet. Get tired. Keep it quiet. Some slobber.
I can see the slobber from here.